short on that left side, just a bit. Any pain as I press down?
Right there.
Right or left?
Right.
Okay. Let's go ahead, deep breath in and let it all out. Beautiful. Maybe one more time, all the way out. On this side, I'm going to target a little bit higher up, okay?
Okay.
Just let the head just drop. Beautiful. And just let this drop. Beautiful. Stretch up towards me, okay? Go ahead, deep breath in. Let it all out. Let the body just relax for me.
Oh.
Wow. How'd that feel?
That was good. That was amazing.
So that was a big one too. Let's go ahead, deep breath in and let it all go. Beautiful. Keep deep breath in, all the way out. Just let your